Welcome to an eye-opening journey into one of China's most astonishing industries. Did you know that China processes 900,000 horses annually, generating a staggering $6.1 billion? Behind this booming trade lies a vast network of processing factories, blending traditional grazing with high-tech production. But how did China turn horse farming into a global powerhouse? Let's uncover the shocking truth. China's horse industry has undergone a shocking transformation, turning millions of horses into a billion-dollar empire. At the heart of this industry are processing factories, where traditional natural grazing meets modern breeding techniques to maximize efficiency. Provinces like Inner Mongolia, Xinjiang, and Hanyang lead the way, producing over 5 million horses annually, with 900,000 processed for global markets. Fueled by government investment and private enterprises, these factories supply horse meat and byproducts to Europe, Japan, and Central Asia. But how did China achieve this dominance? From its historic use of horses in war and transportation, to its rise as a global exporter in the 2020s, this evolution reveals the immense scale of China's horse processing industry and the secrets behind its success. Did you know that China breeds over 5 million horses annually, with a significant portion supplying its billion-dollar processing industry? Provinces like Inner Mongolia, Xinjiang, and Hanyang are home to vast horse farms, where modern breeding techniques ensure high productivity. Farmers carefully select Sanhe Mongolian, Yili, Kazakh, and Heek horses, prioritizing growth efficiency, adaptability, and meat quality to meet the demand of processing factories. Government-backed farms and private enterprises drive this industry, contributing to China's $6.1 billion horse meat and byproduct market. With exports reaching Europe, Japan, and Central Asia, this industry sparks curiosity and debate. If you could breed any horse, which breed would you choose and why? Did you know that health management is the key to success in China's billion-dollar horse industry? On large-scale breeding farms where over 5 million horses are raised annually, maintaining peak health ensures high reproduction rates and premium meat quality for processing factories. Farmers follow strict vaccination protocols, preventing deadly diseases like equine influenza and strangles, which could wipe out herds. Nutrition is equally vital. Foals receive colostrum-rich milk in the first 24 hours. While adult horses consume 15 to 25 hells of hay and grains daily to support muscle growth. Regular hoof care and dental checkups improve digestion and mobility, ensuring each horse meets processing standards. Without proper health management, this $6 billion, $100 million industry wouldn't thrive. What's the most important factor in raising healthy horses? You wouldn't believe the precision and care involved in transporting horses to the processing factory. Once they reach the optimal weight of 900 to 1,300 pounds, typically at 18 to 24 months old, they are ready for transport. My job as a transporter is to ensure a smooth, stress-free journey. We use specialized trailers with ventilation and anti-slip flooring to keep the horses calm and comfortable. Before departure, they undergo a final health check and are loaded in small groups to prevent injury. Upon arrival at the processing factory, veterinarians conduct another inspection. Ever wondered how transport conditions affect meat quality? Have you ever wondered what happens inside a horse meat processing factory? China processes over 900,000 horses annually, fueling a $6 billion, $100 million industry that supplies markets in Europe, Japan, and Central Asia. According to factory manager Li Wei, every horse undergoes strict health inspections before entering processing to ensure food safety and quality. Once approved, automated cutting machines and skilled butchers work together to portion meat into premium cuts. cold water rinsing systems remove impurities, while X-ray scanners detect defects before packaging. Veteran worker Zhang Hui shares, "Precision is key. Each cut must meet export standards." The factory operates at maximum efficiency, ensuring fresh, high-quality horse meat reaches consumers worldwide. Would you ever try gourmet horse meat dishes? Did you know that China's horse industry goes beyond meat, turning horse hides into luxury products? Processing factories transform hides into high-end leather, supplying Europe, the US, and Japan, where premium horse leather goods sell for $500 to $3,000. As global demand rises, China's expanding high-tech breeding programs and integrating AI-driven automation into processing factory. However, ethical concerns over animal welfare and environmental risks like overgrazing raise questions about sustainability. China now faces a challenge. Can it balance economic growth with responsible farming? What's your take on this billion-dollar industry? Share your thoughts below and subscribe for more groundbreaking farming.
We will start the farming documentary with footage shot in a food factory preparing chicken breast for sausage processing. Chicken breast for mass sausage production must always be fresh, free of spoilage, strange odors, good elasticity, and stable moisture. To select the best chicken breast pieces, sausage factories often process directly on the fresh chicken processing line. The quality breasts are then trimmed, skinned, and excess fat removed, ensuring a consistent product. The chickens are then carefully washed and sterilized to meet strict hygiene standards. They are then passed through an area containing modern machinery to mix ingredients and spices before becoming sausages. Share the video to learn with us how food processing machines operate in a sausage factory. The preparation of the sausage filling begins with the grinding process, where selected cuts of meat are passed through an industrial grinder, which grinds the meat into a smooth, homogeneous mixture. This step is important because the texture of the ground mixture affects the final taste of the sausage. Once ground, the meat is transferred to large mixing vats, where a mixture of spices, salt, and herbs is added. The spice mixture, which is usually pre-measured and ground into a fine powder, is slowly mixed into the meat using powerful mixers. These machines ensure that the spices are evenly distributed, binding the meat into a flavorful mixture. If you've been watching our farming documentary closely, you'll have seen that this thorough mixing process is key to achieving the consistent taste and quality expected of every sausage produced. The next step is stuffing the sausages. The prepared filling mixture is fed into an automatic stuffing machine. This machine carefully injects the mixture into the natural or synthetic casings that have been prepared by factory workers. This ensures that the size and weight of the sausages are consistent. After stuffing, the sausages are linked and cut into precise lengths. They can be cooked in a variety of ways, cooled and packaged to ensure food safety. Finally, the sausages are labeled, boxed, and ready for distribution to consumers. Some statistics show the consumption of sausages in the United States from 2011 to 2020 and forecasts until 2024. Accordingly, it can be seen that about 249.08 million Americans use sausages in 2020. This number is expected to increase to 254.79 million by 2024, further affirming the popularity and love of Americans for sausages. Are you a sausage fanatic? Like the video and continue to accompany Trending Farm in the next minutes to learn more interesting agricultural documentaries revolving around sausage processing technology. to produce huge batches of sausages, it is impossible not to mention the industrial meat grinders and sausage factories. They are diverse in models, sizes, and types to suit the scale and cost of each production line. Vertical grinders are often used because they are effective in processing large volumes of meat, while horizontal grinders excel in continuous operation and are ideal for processing large quantities. Bone grinders are specially designed to grind meat with bones, ensuring durability and efficiency. Planetary grinders, with their versatile design, offer a variety of accessories for different processing tasks. Each type plays an important role in maintaining the quality and consistency of meat products in food factories. Although not mentioned much in our recent agricultural documentaries, industrial washing machines are a great invention for food factories around the world. With the main purpose of cleaning food, industrial washing machines are also divided into many types: conveyor washing machines and vegetable and fruit sterilization machines. Most of them work on the principle of high-pressure water jetting for cleaning. If you want to learn more, leave a comment yes, and we will answer in the next agricultural documentaries. Combined with sausages to create a popular and nutritious fast food, delicious bread. In this farming documentary, we will take you through the steps to make those delicious breads. First is the mixing and shaping of the dough. Flour is mixed with water, yeast, and salt to form a smooth, elastic dough. The mixture is kneaded thoroughly in high-powered machines to create gluten, which forms the structure of the bread. After kneading, the dough is left to rest for a few minutes, allowing the yeast to work and increase the size of the dough several times. Next, the dough is shaped into long or square loaves depending on the molds available in the factory. At this time, the dough mixture will also be brushed with a layer of butter or egg white to have a beautiful color and aroma after baking. The final step is baking. Baking bread involves heating the dough to the correct temperature to achieve the perfect crust and texture. Typically, bread is baked at 375 def for 25 to 35 minutes, depending on the recipe and size of the loaf. During baking, the outside of the bread turns golden brown, while the inside is cooked through. An internal temperature of around 190 def indicates that the bread is fully baked. This careful control of time and temperature ensures that the loaf rises evenly, is flavorful, and has a crispy crust. Surely Trending Farm viewers have enjoyed hot dogs at least once, right? How was your culinary experience? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on other great farming documentaries. See you in the next videos on Trending Farm.
Compared to the massive pigs farm sector, which dominates China's agricultural output, horse farming remains a niche but rapidly growing industry. Unlike pigs farms, which are known primarily for meat production, horse farms represent a blend of tradition and innovation. This unique evolution challenges stereotypes and highlights the diverse and dynamic nature of Chinese agriculture. Caring for horses is a meticulous process that reflects the dedication and expertise of farmers. Feeding is a carefully managed routine, tailored to the horse's specific needs based on age, activity level, and health. Farmers prepare a balanced diet of hay, grains, and supplements, ensuring the animals receive essential nutrients. Watering is equally crucial, with farmers often checking hydration levels multiple times a day to prevent dehydration, especially during hotter months. Brushing is another integral part of horse care, performed daily to remove dirt, sweat, and loose hair. Farmers use specialized brushes and combs, working in circular motions to stimulate blood circulation and maintain a healthy coat. This grooming process also serves as an opportunity to inspect the horse for injuries or skin issues. Trimming, particularly hoof care, requires precision and regular attention. Farmers work with farriers to trim and balance hooves every 4 to 6 weeks, ensuring the horse's comfort and mobility. Their hands-on role in feeding, grooming, and hoof care reflects the farmer's deep commitment to their horse's overall health and well-being. Chinese horse farms are increasingly utilizing advanced technology to improve efficiency and enhance animal care. One essential piece of equipment is the automatic feeding system, which ensures horses are fed according to their specific nutritional needs. These systems are often equipped with programmable feeders that can store up to 500 kilograms of feed and deliver precise portions to individual horses at scheduled times. Some systems are even equipped with sensors that track feed intake, preventing waste and allowing farmers to adjust diets based on each horse's needs. The investment in these systems typically ranges from $5,000 to $10,000, depending on the farm's size. Another critical technology is health monitoring equipment, such as smart collars or sensor tags, which track vital signs like heart rate, temperature, and activity levels. These devices provide real-time health data, helping farmers detect early signs of illness or stress. The cost for these systems can range from $15,000 to $25,000. But they significantly improve overall farm management and animal welfare. Transporting horses is more specialized than transporting pigs in pigs' farms due to their need for space, comfort, and careful handling. Unlike pigs, which are transported in crowded trucks, horses require individual stalls with room to move to avoid injury. Trucks must meet strict standards, including well-ventilated stalls and temperature control, with regular stops for hydration and rest. Horses should not be transported for more than 24 hours without breaks. For long distances or international transport, horse farms often choose air travel, as planes are equipped with custom stalls that reduce turbulence and ensure comfort. Air transport can be expensive, typically costing $3,000 to $10,000 per horse. Depending on the distance and logistics, This ensures the horse's safety and minimizes stress during transit. Horse leather, particularly from breeds like the Xinjiang and Inner Mongolian horses in China, is highly valued for its durability, softness, and unique texture. It's often used for luxury goods like bags, wallets, and high-end footwear. The process of processing horse leather begins with careful salting and tanning, typically using vegetable-based methods to preserve the leather's natural characteristics. After tanning, the leather is treated in specialized factories, such as those in Hebei and Guangdong provinces, where skilled craftsmen work to refine it. The hides are then dyed, softened, and polished to enhance their quality. The process can take up to 6 weeks, depending on the complexity and type of product. High-quality horse leather can fetch between $30 to $80 per square foot. Making it a premium material for the fashion and luxury industries. Farmers who raise horses often view horsehair as a valuable byproduct, contributing significantly to the profitability of their farms. They assess the quality of horsehair based on its length, thickness, and overall condition, knowing that premium hair can fetch anywhere from $10 to $50 per half pound. For many, horsehair represents a sustainable additional income stream. Especially in luxury markets where it's used in high-end products like musical instrument bows, luxury brushes, and traditional textiles. Unlike the large-scale pigs farms, where the focus is mainly on meat production, horse farms capitalize on multiple byproducts, making horsehair a key asset. Horse meat is a lean, nutrient-dense option, high in protein, iron, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids, while being low in fat and cholesterol. It is a popular choice in dishes like horse meat stew, grilled steaks, and horse meat kebabs, especially in regions like Xinjiang in Japan, where it's often served as sashimi or grilled with spices. Preparation methods include marinating for tenderness or slow cooking in stews to enhance flavor. Customer reviews typically praise its sweeter, leaner taste and firmer texture, with some describing it as an acquired taste. In areas where it's a local delicacy, it's highly regarded for its richness, though it may face cultural hesitation outside these regions. Overall, horse meat is seen as a healthy, premium choice for adventurous eaters. What is your opinion on the horse farming industry? Leave a comment below the documentary to discuss with us. And don't forget to subscribe to the Trending Farm channel so you don't miss any interesting films about pigs farms.